Hi everyone students, welcome to our maths channel. Intermediate second year definite integrals, maths 2B definite integrals. In earlier classes part 4 completed. Now today part 5. Okay. In earlier classes in part 4 in long questions 5 questions completed. Now 6th one integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Before going to explain that problem, students, if you like my classes, please share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, right. Now the question is integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. If you neglect the 1 plus x square, can you observe this one? Integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x. Okay, that's why in order to finish this one, to solve this one, use the substitution method. What is that one means? Let tan x equal to t. Okay, tan x equal to, let tan x equal to t. Tan inverse x equal to t. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square equal to t differentiation with respect to x is dt by dx. Okay, do the cross multiplication. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. Okay, now change the limits also because of substitution method. That's why lower limit and also upper limit also changed. First lower limit. What is lower limit actually? X equal to 0. What you take here? Tan inverse x equal to t. That means t equal to tan inverse x. Okay. X value 0. Tan inverse 0. Okay. Tan inverse 0. So 0 can be written as tan 0. Tan inverse of tan 0, 0. Therefore, lower limit 0. Okay. Next, upper limit. Upper limit. What is upper limit actually? 1. Okay. So x equal to 1. Now t equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x, x value 1. 1 can be replaced by tan pi by 4 na. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4, pi by 4. Therefore, upper limit t equal to pi by 4. Lower limit t equal to 0. Now take the actual problem. Okay. So integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx equal to. Here integration lower limit 0, here also 0 after substitution. Upper limit 1, but after substitution that becomes pi by 4. Okay, log of 1 plus x. Tan inverse x equal to t. From this x equal to tan inverse taken into the opposite side tan. Okay, in the place of x we can substitute tan. 1 plus tan into 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. If you not understood clearly, write down first like this. Integration 0 to 1. This can be written as, before going to substitution, first reduce the given problem like this. Log of 1 plus x into, this can be written as like this 1 plus x square into dx or not. Integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x into 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Is it clear? That can be written as like this or not? Yes. Now substitute this. Lower limit 0. Here also 0. Upper limit if 1 x equal to 1, then that becomes pi by 4. Log of 1 plus x. X value tan t. X value tan t. So 1 plus x square into dx value dt. Okay. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan t dt. Okay. So now we need to find this value. Okay. So before going to finish this one, so in order to get the solution, let first a equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan t into d. Okay, so integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx value this one. Our assumption a equal to this one. Take this is the first equation, this one is the second equation. Just observe this one. This one is the sixth problem. In a earlier class, in fourth part, I finished with fifth problem. So I repeat again. This one is same as this that fifth problem only. In the place of t, at that place we have x only. Just 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus x dx or not? Well, yes. If you are perfect in that problem, we can easily finish this one. Okay? Right. So, what is the process mean? Same process. Use the formula. What does that means? Integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We know this one. Okay? So, that's why substitute in this one. Integration 0 to pi by 4. In the place of a we have pi by 4. Log of 1 plus tan of, in the place of t, substitute a minus x, a value pi by 4. That's why pi by 4 minus t into d. Okay. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, again this is in the form of log of a minus b, sorry, tan of a minus. What is the formula for tan of a minus b? Means tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan. So tan a pi by 4 minus tan b tan t by 1 plus tan a tan b into d. Okay. Now continuation. So this one is equal to a equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 equal to 1 minus tan t 1 minus tan t by 1 plus again tan pi by 4 equal to 1 into tan t into d. Okay. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of, do the LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 plus tan t is the LCM. Okay. 1 plus tan t plus 1 minus tan t into d. Minus tan t plus tan t cancel. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 plus tan t into dt. Okay. So integration 0 to pi by 4 log a by b, log a minus log b, log of 1 plus tan t into dt, which is a. Take this is the third equation. Here this one is first equation, this one is second. Now, in order to get the solution, do 2 plus 3. Okay. Do 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Add LHS to LHS. A plus A equal to integration. What is the second equation? RHS is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan 1 plus tan t d plus integration 0 to pi by 4. In the third equation RHS log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan t, log of 1 plus tan into d. Okay. A plus A, 2a. 2a equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Enough to, because of limits are equal, that's why add these two terms. Log of 1 plus tan t plus log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan t whole day. Okay. Now log of 1 plus tan t minus log of 1 plus tan t cancel. Okay. Remaining term log 2 only. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 into d. Log 2 constant now. Take now outside of the integration. Log 2 into integration 0 to pi by 4 1 dt. 0 to pi by 4 1 dt, which is 2a equal. Now in the continuation 2a equal to log 2 into integration of 1 x within the limits 0 to pi. So log 2 into first substitute pi by 4 upper limit minus lower pi by 4 minus c. Okay. So log 2 pi by 4 log 2 pi by 4 log 2 2a equal. From this a equal to product 2 taken into the opposite side by a equal to pi by 8 log 2. But a value from the second equation, integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus. So integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan t 1 plus tan t dt equal to pi by 8 log 2. This one is from 2, but actual problem from 1. Okay, from 1 this value equal to integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. That one equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is from 1. That's the end of the solution. Okay. Integral. Finally, integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx equal to pi by 8 log. Okay. Understood clearly? Write down. Yes, students. Next continuation. 7th question. 7 marks only. This one is also integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. So in order to solve this one, let a equal to integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. 1 plus cos square x dx. Take this is the first equation. Okay. Here also use the same formula. What that means? Integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Okay. Use this one. Here a equal to pi. Okay. So a equal to integration 0 to pi. In the place of x substitute a minus x. A value pi now. That's why pi minus x. Pi minus x into sin cube of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x into dx. Is it clear? Right. Now integration 0 to pi minus x into sin of pi 180. Sin of 180 minus theta. Second quadrant sin is positive. Okay. So even line is. That's why sin function keep it as is. That's why we get sin of 180 minus theta equal to sin theta only. Okay. So that's when sin cube x only. Okay. Whole cube now. That's right. Here plus 1. Here 180 minus cos of 180 minus theta. In second quadrant cos is negative. 180 minus theta means second quadrant belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. Okay. 180 even line is. That's why cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta minus cos x. But here we have whole square. Minus cos x whole square means cos square x. Na? That's why 1 plus cos square x and dx. If you not understood perfectly, that's why here write down cos of pi minus x equal to minus cos x. Okay. Minus cos x whole square is minus cos x whole square is cos square x. That's why we get 1 plus cos square x. This one is second equation. Okay. Now, in order to get the solution, do 1 plus 2. Okay. LHS are a and a plus a. A plus a equal to integration 0 to pi x sin qx by 1 plus cos square x dx plus integration 0 to pi minus x into sin qx by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. Now we need to add these two terms. A plus a equal to 2a. Limits are equal now. That's why add. Denominators are also equal. That's why this can be written as 0 to pi x sin qx plus pi minus x into sin qx by 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x and dx. Okay. Now integration 0 to pi x sin qx plus pi into sin qx pi sin qx minus x sin qx. Okay. Over by 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x dx. Here plus x sin qx minus x sin qx cancel. Remaining term in the numerator is pi sin qx. Pi is constant now. That's why this can be written as pi into integration 0 to pi sin qx by 1 plus cos square x. Now we need to simplify this one. Okay, in which way? Means continuation. Pi into integration sin qx can be written as sin square x into sin x or not. The value is changed by writing like this? No. That's why write 0 to pi sin square x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Cos square x dx, which is the value 2a. Okay. 2a. Now sin square x in the terms of cos square x is sin square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1 now. From the sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. That's why 2a equal to pi into integration 0 to pi. This sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Okay. By 1 plus cos square x. Here remaining the sin x into dx. Sin x into dx. In order to finish this solution, here we use the substitution method. What does that mean? Let cos x equal to t. Okay. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x equal to dt by dx. From that minus sin x equal to dt by dx. From this only sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Okay. Here limits also change in a lower limit. What is lower limit? X equal to 0. Our assumption t equal to cos x, cos 0, cos 0 equal to 1, t equal to 1. Next upper limit x equal to pi, p equal to cos x value pi na, cos pi value minus 1. Okay. Substitute these limits and also our assumption in the equation, in this equation. 2a equal to pi into integration 0 lower limit becomes 1, upper limit pi becomes minus 1 to minus 1 minus cos x equal to t now 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into sin x dx. Sin x dx value minus d. Okay. Now we need to simplify this one. Okay. So 2a equal to pi into, here we have one formula. At the time of introduction I explained that formula. What is that? Means integration a to b f of x dx can be written as minus integration, okay, minus integration b to a dx, b to a f of x dx. Okay, so that's why here minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. That's why this can be written as pi into integration minus of, from by using this formula 1 to minus 1 I am writing minus 1 to 1. That's why minus b to a 1 minus t square multiply with the negative to the internal function, then we get minus into t square minus 1, t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square. Understood clearly? Here we use this formula. Integration a to b f of x dx can be written as minus integration b to a f of x dx. Here I am interchanged the limits. That's why I am writing here minus. Understood? Right. 2a equal to minus pi into integration minus 1 to 1. This one t square minus 1. That can be written as 1 plus t square minus 2 or not? 1 minus 2 minus 2. Is it clear? Directly. Simply add 1, subtract 1. Add 1 plus 1, subtract 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Clear? By 1 plus t square into d. Okay? 2a equal to minus pi into integration minus 1 to 1. Separate the denominator. 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2 by 1 plus t square into d. Okay, 1 plus t square cancel. Okay, here 2a into minus pi to pi, minus pi into minus 1 to 1, 1 minus 2 by 1 plus t square into d. Okay, here also I am using another formula. What is that? Means here x sin x. 2a equal to the formula is integration minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is an even function. Okay, clearly this one is even function. Why? Because here variable is only t. If we substitute minus t whole square plus t square, that means f of minus x equal to minus f of x, then that is even function. That's why this is even function. By using that formula, 2a can be written as, in here we have pi now minus pi 2 into 0 to 1. Understood clearly? Here we have minus 1 to 1. I am writing here 2 into 0 to 1. Why? Minus a to a f of x dx can be written as 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even function. Here the function is even function. That's why even function. How can we convey the even function? Means f of minus x equal to f of x, then f of x is said to be even function. Here minus t whole square is plus t square. That's why f of minus t equal to f of t. That's why that is even function. That can be written as 2 into 0 to 1. What is that one? 1 minus 2 by 1 plus t square. Okay, understood clear? That's here 2 get cancelled. A equal to minus pi into 1 integration t minus 2 constant tan inverse t. 1 by 1 plus t square integration tan inverse t. within the limits 0 to 1. Minus pi into, first substitute the upper limit, 1 minus 2 into tan inverse of 1. This one is upper limit, minus lower limit, 0 to tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0. Okay. So minus pi into 1 minus 2 into tan inverse of 1. 1 can be written as tan by 4. Tan inverse can cancel pi by 4. Okay. Minus 0, 2 into tan inverse of 0, 0. Because of tan 0, 0. Right. So 2 1 there, 2 2. So minus pi into 0, 0. Leave it at 1. Finally we get 1 minus pi by 2. This can be written as minus pi into 1 minus pi, minus into minus plus pi square by 2. So final answer pi square by 2 minus pi, which is A. What is A here? A equal to 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. So from 1, final answer from 1 integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx equal to pi square by 2 minus 1. That's the end of the solution. Is it clear? Lengthy. If you understood clearly, then we can easily get the solution. Write down step by step. Most important thing in definite integration, remember, I am telling again and again, what does that mean? Whenever in definite integrals, if we use the substitution method like this, don't forget to change the lower limit and upper limit. So usually students are forgetting to change the limits because of so many problems finished in limits. That means in integration. Okay, in integration means indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals, there is no upper limit and lower limit. That's why in the same way here also forgot that to finish the problem. They forgot to do the changing the lower limit and upper limit. That's why don't forget. Important thing is changing of the limits are most important. If you forgot that one, then doesn't get the solution. Understood clearly? Okay. Right on. Yes, students. Next continuation question is, this one is also 7 marks question. In 7 marks questions, 8th one, integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. In order to solve this one, in the solution, here also let A equal to integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Take this one is the first equation. To finish this one, here also we use the same formula. Integration 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, here also use the same formula. Then a becomes integration 0 to pi. In the place of a we have small a, we have pi. So a minus x. Here in the place of x substitute pi minus x. Pi minus x into sine of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x dx. Okay. Now integration 0 to pi minus x into sine of 180 minus theta. Clearly explained in this class only. Sine of pi minus theta, 180 minus theta, sine theta only. Sine x by 1 plus cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but here we have whole square. That's why minus cos theta whole square is plus cos square theta. Here cos square x dx. Take this is the second equation, which is the value of a only. Okay. Now to get the solution, do 1 plus 2. Okay. LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. LHS are a plus a equal to integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x 1 plus cos square x dx plus integration 0 to pi 0 to pi minus x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, right? Now a plus a equal to 2a now. Integration 0 to pi, limits are equal and denominators are also equal. Just add the numerators. So x sin x plus pi minus x into sin x dx. Okay. Now integration 0 to pi x sin x pi into sin x pi sin x minus x sin x whole by 1 plus cos square x 1 plus cos square x dx plus x sin x minus x sin x cancel. Remaining term pi sin x. In this pi sin x, pi is constant now. That's why this can be written as pi into integration 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus cos square x into sin x dx. Okay, this one equal to 2a now. Right. Now take this is the okay. Now in the continuation, in order to get the solution, let use the substitution method. Let cos x equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x equal to dt by dx. From this only sin x dx equal to minus v. Okay, here we use the substitution method. Now in the substitution method, limits are also changed. That's why lower limit x equal to 0, t equal to cos 0, cos 0 equal to 1. So that's why t equal to 1. Next, upper limit. Okay, upper limit pi. So x equal to pi, t equal to cos pi. Cos pi means minus. Okay. Now 2a equal to substitute this one. Pi into 0. Lower limit 0. Lower limit becomes 1. Upper limit pi. Upper limit becomes minus 1. 1 by 1 plus t square into sin x dx equal to minus d. Okay, right. Here again this one is even function. Okay, so first of all, before going to this one, this can be written as interchange the limits, then minus of integration minus 1 to 1 by 1 plus t square into minus d. Okay, this minus dt as means this one integration a to b f of x dx can be written as minus integration dt. If we interchange the limits, we need to write minus. Okay, here minus into minus plus pi into integration minus 1 to 1 by 1 plus t square into d. Okay, now again minus 1 to 1 minus a to b f of x dx. If this one is even function, this can be written as 2 into clearly t square minus t is there. Okay, substitute minus t whole square plus 2. So 2 into 0 to a means 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Understood clearly? Because of here we use the formula that integration minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. When we use this formula, if f of x is even function, f of x is even function. Clearly, this one is even function because of t square minus t whole square. Whenever we can say that a function is even function means if f of minus x equal to f of x, then we can say that f of x is an even function. Clearly, f of x 1 by 1 plus t square. Okay, not understood clearly? Here f of t equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Okay, we need to check up f of minus t equal to f of t or not. F of minus t, in the place of t substitute minus t. 1 by 1 plus of minus t whole square. Minus t whole square is plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square is f of t. F of minus t equal to f of t. Therefore, this one is even function. If that one is even function, then minus a to a f of x dx can be written as 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. That's way. Minus 1 to 1 can be written as 2 into 0 to 1. Understood? In the previous problem also same model. Okay? No need to write this one. Up to here understood clearly. Which value this one? 2a. Here 2 get cancelled. Okay? A equal to pi into integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. Here tan inverse t. Tan inverse t within the limits 0 to 1. Okay. So pi into substitute the upper limit tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Okay. Pi into tan inverse of 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Okay. Tan inverse of 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 0 can be written as tan 0. Okay. Pi into tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Tan inverse can cancel pi by 4. Here tan inverse can cancel 0. Okay. Pi into pi square by 4, which is a value. From our assumption a equal to 0 to pi x sin x by. Therefore, integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx equal to pi square by 4. That's the end of the solution. Okay? Any more doubts on this one? This one is also most important for 7 marks. Okay? Right? That's the end of today's class. Students, if you have any doubt, please call me. I will explain to you. Okay? Right? So, students, if you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching my classes. Thank you so much.